In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transpose data. Transposing lets you flip your data so that rows become columns and columns become rows. It's perfect when you've laid out information horizontally but realize it would be clearer vertically, or the other way around. Start by selecting the range of cells you want to transpose. Click and drag to highlight the entire block, and make sure you include any headers. Those labels at the top or along the left are crucial, because when you transpose, they'll move to the opposite orientation and keep your data easy to read. It helps to select a clean rectangular range with no gaps or merged cells, since irregular shapes don't transpose well. If your range is large, a quick glance at the status bar or name box can remind you how many rows and columns you've selected. Next, copy the data. You can right-click anywhere in the highlighted area and choose Copy, or use the keyboard shortcut. Ctrl+C on Windows or Chrome OS, and CMD+C on a Mac. You'll usually see a moving dashed outline around the selection, confirming it's copied and ready to paste. Now choose the destination for the transposed version. Click the single cell where you want the top left corner of the new layout to appear. Before you paste, double check that there's enough empty space. A good rule of thumb is to flip the dimensions in your head. If the original block is 5 rows by 12 columns, the transposed result will be 12 rows by 5 columns. Pick an area that won't overwrite existing data. If you're working near other content, leave a buffer of a few empty rows and columns to keep everything tidy. With the destination cell selected, right-click, go to Paste Special, and choose Transposed. Your spreadsheet will instantly rotate the data, placing what used to be column headers down the left or row headers across the top, depending on your original layout. Take a moment to scan the pasted result to confirm everything aligns correctly. Headers should still match their associated values, just in the new orientation. If the range was large, you might want to widen columns or adjust text wrapping so everything is readable. That's all there is to it. Select the full range including headers, copy it, choose a safe destination cell with enough room, and paste using Paste Special Transposed. With this simple technique, you can reorient your data in seconds and make your sheets easier to analyze and present.